Hi, we attended a site in Bundina today where NBN had attended last week and advised the client they had no lead-in cable, so they were unable to proceed. We arrived and moved to cupboard and located the 10-pair cable. We've connected up to pair 1 and we're just doing some tests looking for distance and any faults that may be on the first pair. So just check connecting the earth strap there so we can test each leg to ground. And after doing the test, we estimate the distance of the pair to travel about 300 metres. We've just completed some earth testing on the pair we're using. That seems to be fine, no faults found on that pair. So we're just firing up the TDR to get a more accurate distance on the location of where the open circuit may be or the length of the pair that runs. So we've completed that test and we see open circuit clear at 293 metres. Based on the pillar distance that we've seen on the way in, that's about the approximate location where the pair goes. So the NBN Tech should now have no issues connecting the service. So we've made a temporary join here. We'll need to order a 10-pair MDF to mount, but at least the client can now get their service connected. So we also installed a category 5 cable as a temporary installation through the conduit, which appeared behind this socket here. There was no cable at all. So I've done that temporary and just wrapped it up in order for the client to reorder the NBN visit and get it all going until we return and complete the work.